How to update SIN number on your CRA account. Now, there is no need for you to worry because every document that you'll be submitting and process is through online to their website. So what you want to do is, of course, log in to your CRA account by going to canada.ca. So this is their homepage. All you have to do from here is just locate the sign in button and logged in using your username, email, and password. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you have to remember that the Service Canada stores your personal information in the Social Insurance Register, including your SIN, your name, your date of birth, your place of birth, and your parents' name. So what you want to do from here is just to directly apply or update your current SIN number. For you to be able to be redirected here, all you have to do is just to go to the search bar and then just type in receiving your SIN and updating your SIN record. Now scroll ahead and just go to updating information linked to your existing SIN and click on these um, blue hyperlinked that says submit an application. Now once you click on this, you just have to upload necessary documents that CRA is asking you for you to completely update your SIN number. And that's how you update your SIN number on your CRA account.